Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this educational video, I'll be talking about today's trade, what I did today, and also we'll quickly analyze how the market has performed today. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So, in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things, and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a good and profitable trader, and also you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, so now let's talk about the today's trade, what I did on PVR Inox today. So today I have traded on PVR Inox in the short sell side. Okay, so I short sold this stock somewhere around 1408 to 1407 level. So somewhere around here I short sold in the morning around 10 o'clock. Okay, so this is the candle almost where I short sold, and from there I kept my target up to 4 or 5 points. Okay, so I always follow my discipline and keep the target and stop loss of 0.5% target. And you can see here after that has been triggered, the stock came down and it has made a low of almost 1400. So I took my exit somewhere around 1403 by almost 4 to 5 point of a target somewhere over here. So this is how the stock performed today. And after that, if you guys can see, the stock actually took a support from this line around 1400. And yes, it has tried to gone up a little bit, but most of the time it was big spikes here. But anyway, I completed the trade in this time frame itself and I got my profit. Okay, so this was the trade what I did today. And if you guys wish to get this kind of trades and also personal live market support from me and want to learn all this concept of selecting the stock and getting a proper entry, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. Okay, and now let's come to Nifty, how it has performed today. So Nifty has gone up today. It has closed at 0.75% up. It has gone up by 167.95 points up, closed at 22,570. So if you guys can see today in the pre-open market opening, the Nifty has opened in a downside, a little bit of a gap down. Minus 0.38% gap down is how it opened today. And after that, you can see after the gap down opening, the market has really taken a good support today from here. This was the gap down opening and this was a lowest point what it has did today, and it has gone up till here, and again somewhere around 10:15 it retraced a little bit here. So after retracing again, the market has taken a good support in the same level here in the morning where it had opened almost, and then it started going up. It broke this resistance level what it had made in the morning, and it has closed in a higher section for the day. So yes, overall the market was very good. Bull move for the day is what I can see here. Okay, and also if we come to the indices, we can quickly see how the indices have been performed here. So if we quickly see our main sectoral indices, we can see Nifty Bank is up by 0.63% up today. Nifty Auto is also up by 1.27%. Nifty Financial Services 0.48 and 0.67. Nifty FMGC 0.67 again. So yes, the most gained index for the day I can see here, Nifty PSU Bank with 3.77% up, Nifty Media with 0.48% up. You can see almost everything is closing in the green side here except two indices, Nifty Consumer Durables and Nifty Reality. So only these two indices are in the red side today, if you guys can see. Okay, all the other indices have gone up. So this is how the market has performed today. And also if we quickly see the top gainers and top losers for the day, so these are the stocks which performed well today on a higher side, and these are the stock which performed on a lower side today. So you can see Kotak Bank is minus 10.73% down today. LTIM is minus 1.90% down today, and Indian Unilever is down by 1.13% down. And the top gaining stock for the day is Axis Bank with 6.04% up, SBIN with 5.03% up, Dr. Reddy with 5.03% up again, and Nestle India and Hero MotoCorp. So you can see a Nifty Auto stock has been gained up, and these two stocks from Nifty Bank has been gained up here, and these are two FMGC stocks which have been in a good gaining section for the day. So this is how the market performed for the day, and this is the stock what I was able to trade today. So guys, if you guys wish to learn all this concept of making good profits in intraday trading, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you with my educational course, and I'll be guiding you all the skill what is required. Okay, and please note the profit what you make will depend on the capital what you invest. Okay, so if you invest a decent amount of capital, you can make decent amount of profit in trading, and you should be careful in trading as well. So I'll be guiding you all the things once you join about risk management, how to take proper entry, exit, and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.